Awooga!
Today we're doing the sound effects challenge.
Sound effects challenge!
So what Clay and I have done is we took a whole bunch of note cards, wrote down some random things in there, and threw them into this cowboy hat. Why not a bowl? Well, because cowboy hats are cooler.
Squeaky door hinges. I don't think that was very good. Wow, that was so good. You totally got that.
Thank you.
That was amazing.
Car horn. This
Car
should
horn.
be fun. You should do like the antique car horn, the one that goes like a wooga.
We're driving along the road and this old man's like, "Are you kidding me? Oh, I know. Are you kidding me, you little whippersnapper? You're gonna cut me off like that? Awooga!" Okay, that was awful. Maybe I'll do one more and then modern. Now your turn.
Okay. Okay, so now modern car.
What? That sounded like a little toy truck.
No, this is a toy truck. Hey, I wonder what else. No.
What?
I'm experimenting, okay? I haven't done that.
Neither of our horns were that great. You were better on the old one.
So now you pick out a note card.
Falling tree. I almost wrote this one down. That was a chainsaw. Oh, you're going axe. Nailed it. That was way better. Trash compactor.
I don't even know what those sound like. No, that was a jackhammer. Okay, your turn.
Mine's gonna be a. Hold on.
Trash compactor scream?
It growls and screams. Who knows? Shattering glass. Get a bottle. Oh, but wait, no,
That sounded more like an explosion to me.
Yeah.
It sounded like you hit somebody with the bottle.
That was terrible.
Okay,
I don't know how
that
to do
sounded
it.
more like ice, just like...
Yeah, what's wrong? Ice is basically glass.
Yeah, no.
The fact that you end it with so much air is just... Okay, but better than mine. Reptilian hiss. What is a reptilian hiss? You wrote this one down. A reptilian
you'd
growl?
imagine a velociraptor to do in Jurassic Park.
That sounded
roar.
like that was, yeah, that was...
Feel intimidated yet?
You won.
Thank you.
I'm gonna catch it. Whoa! Do you hear the noise that I made?
Can usually get it on the first try.
No!
Ah, come on.
No!
Yes!
Fireworks.
Okay, now it sounded like you were underwater.
Okay, what's yours?
What
What was that? That was really good.
Thank you. Nails on a chalkboard. Oh, no.
Oh my gosh, I'm like turning red.
You're not allowed to eat them that way. You have to eat them like this. Ah, that was way too high. Yes. I heard that crack.
Neon lights. I meant to say neon signs outside of like a Motel 6. Hold on.
Funny
wait.
thing is, I can actually see that. I think that was a bit more fly or bee.
Yeah, that was similar to a flyer.
Yeah, I think you got that one.
Wind. Dorothy!
I didn't
So it
know
goes
the
like-
wind spoke.
Did the wind switch directions?
Did it sound that way?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Fire! That's kind of gross. That noise, honestly, is really gross. Now it's on.
Apparently, his fire is stepping on twigs.
Okay. Well, there's one more.
Crinkling paper.
You wrote this. Don't act surprised. What was that? You were like clicking. So you ball up a piece of paper and then you throw it and it lands on the trash can.
Wow, it's a deep trash can if it went like... You've heard of Journey to the Center of the Earth, but have you heard of Trash Can to the Center of the Earth?
Well, thank you all so much for watching this channel. Wow. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want us to do more challenges, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Can you tell the difference? We're changing the color of my light. Okay, see you next time.
Bye.